Hi friends, my name is Bertie and today let's learn about electricity. We use electricity all the time, be it a fridge, washing machine, our various devices or in factories and manufacturing plants. But what is electricity? Electricity is defined as the flow of electrons in a conductor. We usually utilize electricity by connecting different things to wires like this one. On zooming in, we'll see the atoms of the copper wire. The red circles are the electrons. The two electrons in the outermost shell are called the valence electrons. The copper atom wants to lose them to reach octet state and thus stability. Let's get a wider picture. Now we've kept only the valence electrons because they're important and we can see a few other copper atoms. The electrons are very loosely bound to the atoms, which means that they move about continuously until it's impossible to ascertain that which electron belongs to which atom. When we attach a source of power like a battery or a cell, then the flow of electrons becomes coordinated and you have a circuit. When a material allows electricity to pass, we call it a conductor. But some materials don't allow electricity. These are called insulators. Conductors versus insulators. Conductors are usually metals. Insulators are usually non-metals or noble gases. Conductors tend to be positively charged. Insulators tend to be negatively or neutrally charged. Conductors have free electrons. Insulators do not have free electrons. Some examples of conductors are copper, silver and aluminium. Some examples of insulators are rubber, air, plastic and wood. Remember, graphite is a conductor even though it's a non-metal. Remember, no material is a pure insulator. Under the proper conditions, all materials become conductors. For example, lightning is air conducting electricity. It's question time! You've probably seen the don't touch switches with wet hands sign. But why? Water isn't a conductor, right? Water's conductivity depends on substances called solute, which is mixed with it. In other words, a beaker of pure water will not conduct electricity, but a beaker with, say, salt will. It's quiz time! Which of the following is a conductor? A. Graphite, B. Wool, or C. Plastic? Ready with your answer? That's great! Well, the answer is graphite. Which subatomic part is loosely bound in metals? Proton, B. Neutron or C. Electron? Ready with your answer? That's great. The answer is electron. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment box. Until the next session, bye!